Hello everyone, trust you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Temu. Now, depending on the phone you're using, if you're using an Android phone, you can get this app on your Play Store. But if you're using an Apple phone, you get this from your Apple Store. Now, this is an Android phone, so I'm going to go to my Play Store. This is my Play Store. Search the app name, which is Temu. So it says Temu install, and I'm going to say yes. We'll give you some time to install. So it says installing. When it's ready, it's going to say open, and it's going to show you installed. So at this moment, it's still installing. So we'll give you some time. It's ready, and you can see it says they're open. We're gonna click open. It's ready. So now, when you download the app, the first thing that pops up is their privacy and cookie settings, asking you to accept or you reject. I tend to reject my cookies. So I'm going to click on the tab, reject. So reject. I'm going to X this. So now, this is what you see when it's just downloaded. You can see here it says sign in for the best experience. And there it says home, which is here. And there you have categories of all the categories. You can see the home and kitchen. You can see women's clothing, women's shoes, women's lingerie, men's shoes, all the categories. So it has everything. So here, closet. Another way is to look at the categories is go to the very top. You can see all of them up there are the categories. So whichever one you want, when you tap on it, it brings up everything under that category. This is food, appliances. They even sell Coke. Appliances, the musical, for pets, for household. Everything under that category will come out when you click on it. Okay, then you go on all. On all means everything randomly will come up. Okay, and here it is you, which is your account, where you create the account. So with the account, this is where they can send you updates about any order you placed. So here under your account, you're going to see your orders. Any order you place is going to be under your account. So when you click on that, so this is your orders, you click on your orders. So if you place any order, you're going to see it under your order. If they have any messages about your order, they might tell you, oh, your order is still in transit. It has cleared custom. It is now in your country. There you will see it under your messages. If there's any coupons or offers, it's going to be on there. If there is any credit you get from Temu, it's going to be under your credit balance. So everything about your account is under here. So now, and this is your cart basket. So now let's look for, what do we look for? So now let's assume we want to buy a camera or phone. Let's type phone. Let's go phone. So every type of phone is going to come up. So you now make your choice and go for the one you want. So this is phones. Everything phones will come up. So now, assuming I want to go for this one now, this is £75.81. So come here to select the one you want. So I'm just gonna go for purple. So purple, I'm gonna add it. Now it has two options. It says buy now or add to cart. If you want to buy now without adding it to cart, you click on buy now. But I still want to do more shopping, so I'm just gonna add it to my cart. It's there in my basket. Let's go to basket. I'm gonna find it there. So now this is our basket. So you can see this is what I have in my basket. The phone. Let's say, okay, now I want to add this one to my basket as well. It's telling me to select an option. So let's see the options. This is the color gray and this is black color. Okay, I want to go for black. I'm gonna add to my cart. Now I have two things in my cart. I have the phone. And I have the extendable cloth air dryer. So I have 2 things in my basket. And if you want to check out, you are done shopping and you want to check out and pay, you might have about a few things in your basket. So all you have to do is check all the items you want to check out. You can have 20 things, but you can tick only 10 things. 10 things. That means these are the things you want to check out. So now I want to check out these 2 things. So it says phone and the clothes dryer. So when you click on checkout, now this is where it brings you to. This is where you create an account. Continue with Google or with Facebook. Continue with email. Continue with phone number. So you click on email. So it's going to ask you enter your email. If you enter your email, continue. Then it's going to take you where to create your password. And with that, you have your account with Temu. This is how to download Temu on your phone. I'm going to show you a different way to download Temu. Now I'm going to take this off the phone. I'm going to uninstall this. And I'm going to show you a different way to install Temu. You can install Temu through your Play Store or your Apple Store, or you can go through your browser. So browser in the sense you can go through your Google Chrome, your Edge, the Microsoft Edge. So now this is Google. We're going to go to search bar. If you do not want to use search bar, you can use the microphone there, Temu. So we'll say Temu. We'll say search. Let's see what comes up. Temu.com official site. This is what we are looking for. So we'll click on that. Okay, so now when it opens through your browser, if you look at the top, you can see where it says get, meaning download. So we'll click on get. It opens and you can see where it says install. So now you can see we installed it earlier on through the Play Store, and now we've gone through Google. So now we're gonna click install. It's installing. You can see 29%. It's installing. Okay, it's ready to open. So when it's ready, we click open. Their privacy settings and says accept or reject. I'm just gonna reject. It's asking you to sign in for the best experience. To download it, you need to create an account with Temu with an email and create a password. And this is where you do that. So it says sign in or register. You click on register, you're gonna open it with your email. Always do that with your email. You click on email, it's gonna ask you your email address, put your password. So now let's have a look. Let's go through the app and see. So now this is where your account is. This is you have your orders, your messages, your coupons, and your credit balances. So your orders, this is where you see all the orders you've placed on Temu. All your order history, both the one you did last month, last 2 months, last 3 months, all your orders is gonna come up under there. The messages is one that they are going to be dropping you update about your order. They can say, oh, your order has been shipped, your order has left the country, your order is now on the plane, your order has landed in your own country, your order has been picked up by your delivery company. This is where you get the messages. And if you have any coupon or offers, you're gonna be under your coupons and offers. Any credit balance from Temu is gonna be under your credit balance. It has varieties of things. Everything you want, literally everything you want is here on Temu. How to install Temu on your phone. So this is a very step-by-step guide. Bye.